Okay guys, so many of you know there is such great template called Avada, and in Avada, for example, I would like to manage these social media icons. As you can see, you can add it in navigation and you can add it in footer. So how to do this? Log into your website, click on dashboard, then click on Avada dashboard. Here you can select options, and here you need to find social media icons. Let's click on it, and here you can see you can add different icons, so LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. So how to do this? Click on this plus. You can click on brands, type here for example YouTube, and here is the icon. Here you should put social media icon link. When you put link, make sure you add this HTTPS. Yeah, if you want to change order of these icons, you can simply drag and drop like this. Yeah, and then click on save changes, and that's all. By the way, if you want to add social media icon in navigation, then you need to manage this in navigation menu. So you need to manage, go to, okay, let me search it. So it's menu. Okay, 1 second please. Yeah, it's in section appearance. So click on appearance, click on menus, and here you can see Facebook icon. So you can create new menu, type here your something like Facebook. Yeah, put here your link, use HTTPS at the beginning. Click on Avada menu options, and here we can see menu button style, icon select icon, and you should leave menu highlight label empty, and that's all. So let's just click on save and save menu, and it will look like this. Yeah, so different kind of options how you can change that. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you.